Our vibes in the night time. When you come through, it's looking like the right time. When it's 3 AM, I just need a lifeline. Call your phone, baby girl, I got the right mind. I ain't tryna wife beat, I'm just tryna live life. I blow money when I get it, so I live nice. She got the cake, I'm just looking for a quick slice. And when the day breaks, I won't even think twice. I need a girl with a waist, I'm a star boy, I can never shine with a face. No passer, no passer. But don't worry about me, if I got my guys in the place. Me and me will be friends. So I sit up in the game, come alive in the waves. Then came to the vibe where it takes. I ain't got for no girls, it's a line for the jakes. Girl, let's have a couple night drinks. Nothing heavy on the corner, keep the general. Trust man, I love you. My money big pro, yeah, little like Debbie. I need a P1.
So what we're doing today?
We're drifting. We're hopefully gonna not crash into the wall and shit. It's full out there. It's just practice, so take it chilled. Try to make the car actually work because it's currently not starting off the key. Need to figure out tyre sizes and pressures and all that usual stuff. We were planning on changing the alternator at lunchtime, but we arrived like an hour early and I have nothing to do, so we're going to change the alternator now. May as well see if the charging voltage goes up. Take it outside view, you'll understand my car's dying. I think it's not charging. So we've just died out on the track. And it obviously won't turn back on.
And shafts.
Yep, hopefully it'll work this time. At best, it'll be fine now. At worst, it'll work for the next hour. It's starting to get wet, which means we might have to come off and drop pressures and shit, but we'll see. Hopefully we can run the entire track in third soon. I actually want it to be wet. It's quite fun. Actually fixed the car for once. It's been going out, fucking it up. Last 2 laps have been good, so we're gonna get some video of them, give it a watch back, see where I need to improve, try to improve. But feeling good.
alright. Yeah, mediocre lines, can't expect much more from me. Chasing, just had one decent chase. See what the weather does tomorrow.